Hello everybody, I'm here with my friend MTB King, old Simen, and Kakeman Jonas. Jonas has built a nice sculpture of me, as you can see, if I do like this. Oh yeah. And from behind, yes, it's pretty close. And here we have a little mechanism that going to explode me. So, Mr. Jonas, do you want to start it? Oh yeah. All the sand. Okay. Thank you. That was all for today. Bye.